create, or you can also say develop, normal computer terminology. Okay, build or create, develop custom applications. Okay, and can be hosted or deployed on Salesforce.com. That is called as a force.com. Okay, now this particular screen, what you are saying is nothing but a force.com. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay, this sales is not a custom application, guys. Marketing is not a custom application. Your service is not a custom application. The standard application, who created this? Salesforce has created on force.com platform, because it is by default it has created, right? Getting my point? But
Yeah.
because app is there, right? This is a custom application because I created. I'm a developer. I created it. And when on which platform I have created? On force.com.
Salesforce.com.
Force.com. ఇదంతా దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? ఈ స్క్రీన్ అంతా ఉంది చూసారా? బేసిక్లీ ఏంటంటే, if you want to construct a house, you need to have a land.
Yes.
Land, you cannot construct a house. So that's called as your platform. Similarly, if I want to create an application, I need to have a platform where I can build the applications. So that platform is called force.com. And this recruitment application is the custom application. Okay. So why do we require force.com platform? Because if the users or developers who wants to create a new applications, who wants to develop or create a new applications or build applications, that we require force. You have to give this definition to them. It is a platform. Okay, it is a platform to build, create, develop, custom, build, create or develop custom applications. Custom in the sense customer. I mean, developer can be, you are a developer, you can create. Okay, all those things. Okay, so Salesforce. Now, how do you build these custom applications? How do you build these custom applications? There are two ways. Okay, what do you mean by declarative? Okay, for declarative, you don't require any program experience. Okay, you don't require programming experience. Okay, simple. Okay, you'll just click on setup. I want to create an object, click create new object, and it's all clicking, selecting on it. Okay, you won't, when you select and place, when you click and select, automatically back in the backend the code gets generated. Okay, and you can see your objects or your application. So that concept is called as declarative. For that, you don't require any programming experience. Oh, the game of Java ravale, C++ ravale, and game rule లేదు. Everyone, anyone can it. Okay. Now the same recruitment application is there, right? Okay. This recruitment application also can be written in programming. Okay. For this, you require concepts. Java concepts. So you require object-oriented programming concepts and minimum core Java concepts. Why? Because it's a programming. Okay. So for example, in the declarative way, when I click on a position here, when I click on a new, can you see the screen? Drag and drop on it.
It's just setting up the Salesforce.
That's it. Drag and drop. Drag and drop ante akkada text box untadi, just తీసుకొచ్చి drag చేయడం అంతే. When you write, you are coding, programming, you write a code to develop this particular box. You write a code to develop this particular checklist. You write a code, these three functionalities. Getting my point?
Okay.
So
You just have to select it, right?
in declarative you select it, but in programming concepts you will write it. I'll go here,
Okay.
set up, I'll go to develop, Apex programming we call it as Apex classes. I'll write new, okay, or I'll go here, developer concept. In Apex class, trigger, visual force pressure, visual force component, lightning application, lightning component, and the coding. So people will be passionate about coding. Okay, who are very much interested in coding. So they use this particular path to what? To develop the applications.
Custom applications.
Got it? So first what we'll go with the declarative part, then we'll go with the programming part.
Okay.
Got it? Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
Tomorrow what we will do is I will start with okay, we'll start designing the apps on force.com. We'll start designing our app now. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what all we require in this is to design the app is okay, building blocks. Okay. So what we'll see here, building blocks. Okay. So here we'll speak about standard fields, custom fields, standard objects, custom objects. Okay, we create custom object tomorrow. Then we also see different various data types. Okay. Then we also look into page layout. We also look into relationships. Look up and MD relationship. Okay, we also see how to create app. Create app. Okay, how to host your app on the cloud. Okay, and how to add logo to your app. Guys, are you listening?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then we will also speak about schema builder. We try to do it. These all topics tomorrow and after tomorrow.
Okay.
That's building blocks. Okay, to do all these things, you need to have Salesforce org. Do you have Salesforce org? Like this org, do you have?
No.
No.
And how? Okay.
Is this an Salesforce org is an app that we have to download or?
No. Okay. So what I'll do is, okay, I will speak to Navya, okay, or you speak to Tarun if he can get an org created because if I need to create an org, I need your email IDs. With the correct email ID, I can create the org. Just check with your Tarun or Navya on this. Okay, need an org to work on this particular one. So my org is already I have created the app which I am using for other purpose. Okay. So that you just check with them, and if they are unable to create an org for you, okay, let me know tomorrow morning. In the first 5-10 minutes, I'll create an org for you and give it to you. Okay. So understood. So directly tomorrow, all the practicals only. Okay. I'll make your hands dirty. Okay.
Okay.
So that you can start working on this.
Okay.
Clear? There are a lot many things we do. Okay, it's very nice topic, very good course to learn. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, interesting
Okay,
too.
okay guys, good. So we'll connect tomorrow morning again. Okay, and we'll take it ahead.
Yeah, before that,
What's the
when you'll be free tomorrow to take the class?
Yeah, I think that also check with Navya. Okay, so I preferably to have class at 6 o'clock. Okay, so that would be good for me. 6 o'clock IST Indian Standard Time.
Okay, okay, that means like 9:30 to 10:30.
Yeah, a little bit early is also fine. I can join at 5:45 also. 5:45 IST.
Okay,
Okay, because I need to go to office at 8 o'clock again. Check
oh,
with Navya and finalize the timings for this. Okay, so once it is finalized, then we can stick to the timelines.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, great then. Thank you so much. Thanks for
Yeah,
joining.
thank
Okay,
you. Thank
hope you
you.
understood what I was talking.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, very clearly.
Great. Thanks so much. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
bye bye.